Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G17 Power, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the left corner. Let's go to the settings. And here tap on languages. Now let's tap on add keyboard and choose the keyboard from the list of available languages from which we can choose. So just scroll and find it and tap on it. Choose the region if you can. And here you can choose the keyboard layout. Sometimes you'll have only one and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So just mark the option that you'd like to use and tap on done. As you can see, the language has been immediately applied, and in order to remove previous languages, you have to tap on this edit icon and mark the languages that you want to delete. Tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.